In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to stretch clock on iOS 26 update in your iPad or iPhone. So first of all, you have to unlock your iPad or iPhone and now scroll down from the top, hold your screen and now tap on this customize option. As you can see, my clock is stretched already. So now when you tap on this, tap on your clock, you have to choose first font, then you will be able to see this stretch option over here at the corner. Now you can use this stretch to stretch your clock to this extent. So yeah, this is how guys you can do it. Hope you like it, and you can make it small and stretch, or you can make it bigger anytime. When you tap on this, you have two options: glass and solid. So if you want to remove the glass effect, you can tap on solid to remove it. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more videos guys. Till then, bye bye.